talking about pips, because most of the traders or the new people who are having knowledge about Forex, they don't know what is pips. And if you don't know pips, you're just gambling in Forex. And a pip is the smallest move in the price in some of the currency, as the decimal point I meant. And an example of your NUSD, the pips move from 1.100 1.1000 to 1.1005. And second example, as GPY and USD, the pip starts from 103.00 to and the USD and Euro, the 1.1000 to 1.005. That is one pips that I forgot to say. And the Euro, the GPY and the USD. The USD is 130.00 to 130.050, and that's equal to 50 pips. And this is the end of the video, and I hope you all subscribe and like and following my the Facebook and liking the subscribing YouTube channel and like the TikTok video. And I hope I make this channel grow bigger and bigger. And wa alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It was